Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you as we explore the world of Mexican cuisine. And what better way to start than with the iconic and mouth-watering Mexican guacamole? Get ready to discover the secrets behind this beloved avocado dip. Let's jump right in. Before we delve into the wonderful world of guacamole, let's talk about what it actually is. Guacamole is a classic Mexican dip made primarily from ripe avocados. But did you know that the origins of guacamole can be traced back to the ancient Aztecs? That's right. The Aztecs, who lived in what is now modern-day Mexico, were known to have been enjoying guacamole centuries ago. They created this delectable dip by mashing avocados with a mortar and pestle, adding various ingredients to enhance the flavors. It's incredible to think that guacamole has such a rich history. Now, let's move on to the star ingredient of guacamole, the avocado itself. Did you know that avocados are not only incredibly tasty but also packed with essential nutrients? They contain healthy fats, fiber, vitamins C, E, K, and various B vitamins. They're like little powerhouses of goodness. Another fascinating fact about guacamole is that the word guacamole originates from the Aztec language, Nahuatl. The term guacamole combines ahuacal, meaning avocado, and mole, which translates to sauce. Over time, guacamole transformed into the word we know today, guacamole. When it comes to making guacamole, there are countless variations and personal preferences. Some people enjoy it chunky, while others prefer it smooth and creamy. But no matter the texture, guacamole typically includes a few essential ingredients: ripe avocados, lime juice, diced tomatoes, chopped onions, cilantro, and a touch of salt. It's a magical combination. Now, here's a lesser-known fact about guacamole. It's not just a dip for tortilla chips. While that's certainly a popular way to enjoy it, guacamole is also a versatile condiment that can take your meals to the next level. You can slather it on tacos, burritos, or fajitas, use it as a burger topping, or even mix it into salads. The possibilities are endless. Let's not forget the secret behind keeping guacamole fresh and vibrant. It's all about preventing oxidation, the process that turns the lovely green color of avocados into an unappetizing brown. One trick is to press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole to create a seal and limit exposure to air. Lastly, I can't emphasize enough how important it is to make your guacamole with love and creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with additional ingredients like diced jalapenos for some heat, juicy mangoes for a tropical twist, or even roasted garlic for an extra savory punch. And there you have it, folks. Our journey through the tantalizing world of Mexican guacamole. From its ancient Aztec origins to its endless versatility and health benefits, guacamole is truly a culinary masterpiece. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite guacamole recipes in the comments below.